Yeah, Bob and Kelly, I know a lot of people are asking this week, how much longer are we going to wear these masks when we're around people? What about social distancing? What about restaurants and restrictions that we have? Well, it sounds like a lot of these things are going to be here well into 2021.
They may be our light at the end of the tunnel, but when COVID-19 vaccines begin wide distribution, how quickly will our world return to life as it was before? You know, where we don't wear masks, can gather by the thousands, restaurants are full, schools aren't flip-flopping between in-person and online. Unfortunately, doctors say it won't be immediate.
So this concept of saying, when's the vaccine going to be available for everybody? Like, oh, good, it comes on July? Good, we're done. We don't have to do anything else. We get the vaccine. It's not quite like
Dr. Todd Vento, Intermountain Healthcare infectious disease physician, explains there are so many factors that come into play after Utahns line up for their COVID shot. For one, the timeline of the vaccine to take effect.
You're going to have to get 2 shots over a 3 or 4 week period. So there's another month. Then you've got to wait, a week or so to get immunity, another week. But at the same time, you're still waiting for everyone to get it.
It also depends on how effective the vaccine is and how long it lasts, he says, and what COVID-19 case rates look like in the community at the time.
It's not the end of the road. We have to still gradually transition to get to that point of having more widespread immunity from vaccine.
Which means, he explains, it'll likely be a slow process to pull back from the measures we see today. Dr. Vento indicates life come July will likely look the same as now, with masks and social distancing, with the quote-unquote new normal that defined 2020 also defining 2021.
And even after we kind of slowly start getting back to things, that Dr. Vento said it is possible that COVID could be one of those sicknesses that comes around every year. So we end up with a COVID season where we have to go and get those vaccinations every winter. Live in Salt Lake City, Lauren Steinbrecher, Fox 13 News, Utah.